I booked a hostel in Pristina. 3 nights, private room, only 16 euros. I expected the worst, because this price is just crazy. And I had to wait for like half an hour until somebody showed up and showed me my room. I took my time for decorations. Oh, and there's free coffee. Overall, it's simple, but for this price, absolutely amazing. Welcome to Kosovo, welcome to Pristina.
Pristina is Kosovo's capital city and quite new, or rather say unexplored, in terms of international tourism. And for me, what was outstanding at first, besides the for European standards very affordable prices, was the bad air quality.
Good morning from sunny but freezing Pristina, standing in front of the Newborn Monument. So the Newborn Monument remembers the independence of Kosovo from Serbia. Kosovo is actually the youngest state, so that makes Pristina the youngest capital of whole Europe. On 17th February of 2008, Kosovo gained independence. This is when this monument was like opened, kind of, you know. Since then, Kosovo is a separate state. The biggest reasons why Kosovo wanted to be an independent state is that the majority here are ethnical Albanians, and also more than 95% of the people here are Muslim, compared to Serbia, which is mainly Orthodox Christians. On these flags you can maybe see Kosovo is very close to Albania, like I just said. The ethnicity is the same, the language spoken here is Albanian. What I can already tell you about Pristina is that the food and also accommodations are insanely cheap, and the people are super fucking friendly. So, let's explore the city. So already sorry for the immediate dark turn, but just on the other side of the street from the Newborn Monument, there's another monument or a memorial that remembers a phase of war. The last war in Kosovo was between Serbia and Kosovo in 1998 and 99. And this is a memorial remembering around 20,000 women that have been victims of sexual violence at this time. This is, in my opinion, a phase of war that is very often ignored or not spoken about. Here, basically in the middle of the city, they have a huge memorial about this topic. There are 20,000 single pins. Every pin basically stands for a victim. I'm now in the part of the town which was built under Ottoman rule. Here we have the Imperial Mosque, which is one of the oldest mosques in whole Kosovo. It was built in 1564. Over there is the clock tower, a monument of the city that was also built under Ottoman rule just in the 19th century.
Pristina was under Ottoman rule for exactly 442 years until 1912. The part with main Ottoman influence is still good visible, for example the Old Hammam, which is currently under construction to become a museum. You have plenty of mosques with the Fatih or Imperial Mosque from the 15th century, or the Yasha Pasha Mosque, which was built in 19th century. The clock tower, a typical Ottoman structure which were constructed to help regulate life, managing market activities and helping to keep track of time for prayers, was destroyed and rebuilt multiple times. A hidden highlight of this part of Pristina is the Ethnological Museum, or Emin Diku House. The museum provides a rare glimpse into Ottoman-era Pristina and Kosovo heritage. Unlike many historical buildings that were destroyed over time, this complex has been well preserved, offering an authentic experience of the city's past. Showcased are century-old household items, tools, weapons, as well as clothing and textiles like carpets.
This church, or this cathedral that you see behind me, is in honor of everybody's favorite Albanian woman. She's actually born in Northern Macedonia but Albanian ethnicity. So this is the Cathedral of Mother Teresa of Calcutta. It was only finished in 2017 and serves as a very special place, of course, for the Catholic community in Kosovo. One of the cool features for atheists like me is that you can go up on the tower and have a really great view above the city. I will wait, because maybe later the sun will come out and it's also pretty foggy, or smoggy, rather smoggy.
Though Kosovo's Catholic community is small, the Cathedral represents the historical presence of Catholicism among Albanians. Even Pope Francis came to bless the cathedral in 2016. It is built in neo-Romanesque style, which mixes modern and traditional elements. The bell tower was only finished in 2019 and offers a stunning view over the whole city, as it is one of the highest structures of Pristina.
There is this weird looking building, which is the National Library. This is where we're gonna go now. Now I'm in front of the probably most unique building in Pristina and probably whole Kosovo. This is the National Library.
The National Library of Kosovo is one of Pristina's most distinctive buildings. Designed by Croatian architect Andrija Mutjanković and completed in 1982, it features 99 domes of various sizes and a metal lattice exterior, blending Byzantine, Islamic and modernist influence. The library holds over 2 million books, manuscripts and historical documents, making it Kosovo's largest literary institution. During the 1999 Kosovo War, Serbian forces used it as a military base, causing significant damage. Despite its cultural importance, the library has been controversially labeled one of the world's ugliest buildings due to its unconventional design. However, many see it as a bold example of Yugoslav-era architecture, making it one of Pristina's most iconic landmarks. Right next to it is an unfinished Serbian Orthodox church, commissioned in 1992 during Slobodan Milosevic's rule and abandoned in 1999 due to the Kosovo War. Many Albanians see it as a symbol of Serbian oppression, while the Serbian Orthodox Church insists it is a legitimate place of worship. The church remains vandalized and unfinished, showing the still tense relation between Kosovo and Serbia. Not far from here, you find the usually busy pedestrian zone with many restaurants, cafes, shops, as well as many statues. One of the most important ones is the one of Mother Teresa, after which the boulevard is named. But many other Albanian and Kosovarian heroes can be found here, such as Skanderberg or Sahir Pajaziti, who is celebrated as one of the first leaders of armed resistance in Kosovo's struggle for independence. This statue, it's called the Sitting Man and symbolizes the struggles, resilience and quiet contemplation of ordinary Kosovars, reflecting on their past hardships and uncertain future. One that really catched my eye was the piece which shows a book on a brain, created by Kosovo artist Adelina Murati. It represents the idea that true intelligence comes from continuous learning and education, emphasizing the importance of libraries and knowledge in shaping society. A very important message in times where idiocracy is rising with apparently unstoppable speed. From time to time, you can also find some baskets there. So make sure to stop, have a listen and give them some change. Something I came by which caught my attention was Berliner Döner. Cheap, delicious food, in fact founded by the German Investment Fund. Finally, some taxes used in the right way. Before we finish this video, I want to show you the colorful side of Pristina. This street is well known for its graffitis. It's covered in colorful murals, political messages and artistic expressions, reflecting Kosovo's history, identity and social issues. Many artworks address themes such as freedom, resistance, hope and everyday life in Pristina. It has become a popular spot for photographers, artists and tourists, adding to Pristina's modern cultural identity. The graffiti constantly changes as new artists contribute to work, making it an evolving street art gallery. With these pictures I'm gonna leave you until next time. Thanks for watching. As always, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and tell me your opinion about Pristina in the comments. All the best and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!